Good morning dear friends. Today we are going to discuss question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Here I am going to find out the two consecutive positive integers value that I have taken as x and x plus 1 consecutive integers. That's why the first number I have taken as x, the second one what will be there? Plus 1. So x plus 1. And the sum of the squares is given to you. So sum of the squares means squares and their sum. So first you have to square and then add. Sum of whose square. That means first you have to do the square, then you have to add. Okay. Now x square. This is in the form of a plus b the whole square. You know that a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 365. Yes. X square plus x square, that is 2x square plus 2x plus 365 comes this side, minus 365. Minus 365 plus 1, it will give you minus 364 equal to 0. So this equation can be divisible by 2. Divide it. X square, here what? Plus x. This one is minus 182 equal to 0. Yes. I am going to use the middle term splitting method to get the x value. So in multiplication what you need? Minus 182. In addition what you need? That is plus 1, middle term in addition. So such kind of numbers I am going to write it here. So we can write it 182 can be divisible by 2. This is what? 91. This can be divisible by what? 7. So 13 times. 13 is prime, so stop it. 7 into 2, 14, and 13 we can write it here. I need 1 in addition, so I am keeping minus 13 here. Okay. So plus 14 minus 13, add it, what you will get? Plus 1. Multiply these two values, you will get minus 182. So I can write this one x square plus x, I can write it plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. In these two terms what is common? X is common, so take it out. X plus 14. In these two terms what is common? Minus 13. Take it out, so x plus 14 will be left over there equal to 0. What is common factor in these two? X plus 14. Take it out. What is left over? X minus 13 is another factor equal to 0. Now I am going to equate each factor with 0. X plus 14 equal to 0, so that you will get x is equal to minus 14. Yes. X plus 13 equal to, x minus 13 equal to 0, so that you will get x is equal to plus 13. So I got the two values for x, one is minus 14, another one is 13. Here in the question it is clearly given to you, it's a positive integers. These are what? Positive integers, so that x value cannot be negative. So you have to cancel out this factor. So finally x value is what? 13. If x value is 13, what will be the another value? X plus 1, that is 14. So write it here. X plus 1, which is equal to 13 plus 1, that is 14. So your answers are, consecutive numbers are 13 and 14. Two consecutive positive integers are 13 and 14. Thank you.